Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this beautiful fabric flower. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. Prepare 6 petals flower shape like this and cut the flower shape. Then use a marker to draw the shape onto a beverage can. Like this. The beverage can will be a little difficult to cut, so I use larger scissors. This will be our template. I use crepe fabric for this flower. It has a beautiful texture. Place the fabric on top of a ceramic tile and place the template. I use soldering iron to cut the fabric into this flower shape. Heat up the soldering iron and start cutting with the template like this. If you haven't watched my tutorial about cutting fabric using a soldering iron, you can see the description below. Now I will show you how to stiffen the fabric. Prepare fabric stiffener, paper towels, and tweezers. Dip the fabric like this. Place the fabric on several layers of paper towels. Let the fabric dry by placing it in front of a fan about 10 to 15 minutes. I have stiffened the fabric. Now let's shape the fabric using another soldering iron. I use knife tip like this. You can see the shape. Draw a line on each petal like this. Now turn it over and draw a straight line between each petal. Next, draw 2 lines next to the first line we made. And we will have a beautiful shape like this. Make 5 pieces of this and prepare hot glue. Lay all fabrics together. To make the flower center, prepare an inch wide grosgrain ribbon. Measure the ribbon by 7 inches and cut. Draw a straight line in the center of the ribbon like this. Be careful not to cut through the ribbon. After this, add a dab of glue and fold the ribbon in half. Roll the ribbon to make the flower center. Attach this to the center of our flower. Our beautiful flower is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this fabric flower tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.